Some of you already know the Z4. Today we're introducing you to the, drumroll, R5.
Welcome everyone to today's part of our webinar series. I'm excited to present our flagship, the R5.
To start off with, we would like to show you a short video, since a video says more than a million words. Lean back and enjoy. You see, the R5 is very versatile. Who would be most interested in a machine like that?
Well, since there's almost nothing that the machine cannot do, it is a perfect fit for any dental lab that is looking for wet and dry milling and some automation. But also to practice labs, in particular for specialists, so for example prosthodontists and GPs who do not want to compromise. The R5 is a 5-axis machine. You saw in the video a 10-disc changer and an adapter that holds up to 6 blocks. The R5 features a 16-tool changer and mills and grinds wet and dry.
And how do all these features benefit our customers? The R5, for one, produces restorations in Ultra HD while providing a repetition accuracy of 3 microns, which is exceptional.
VHF was founded 30 years ago and actually started on the industrial side of milling. Big and heavy machines for milling and cutting metals, wood, and acrylics. The unique industrial build of those VHF machines can still be found in each and every dental milling and grinding machine.
For you, that means you can mill and grind the toughest materials, including titanium and chrome cobalt.
The R5 comes with a German high-precision spindle that gives you 800 watts of power
and 80,000 RPM. And now, what I'm most excited about, the independence that you get with a VHF machine. Since VHF is a privately owned company with no affiliation to material manufacturers, you get access to the complete range of materials available in the market.
If disc material, everything is available in standard 98mm size. And widest range of block materials is possible, and even in titanium and cobalt chrome, we have over 800 prefabs in our library.
The R5 is made in Germany, or how we like to call it, Dental from Deutschland. German products stand for highest reliability. The R5 is a product you can truly rely on.
And if there should be a problem, support staff can remote into your machine and see through the internal webcam, either a live stream of the inside of the machine or a recorded video, since the stream is continuously saved on the CAM computer.
The R5 has some super cool convenience features. You saw in the video how easy it is to load discs into the machine. No frames or tools needed. We call that direct disc technology.
The automation of a disc changer enables non-stop milling, but it is only as good as the machine cleans and dries itself between jobs. The R5 features an ionizer that reduces the static charge from PMMA chips, a self-cleaning program, and even a self-drying program. This direct clean technology enables non-stop wet and dry milling without any manual work between the jobs, or how we call it, wet and dry on the fly.
The high level of automation enables you to mill more units faster. With a high-speed spindle and their super fast milling strategies, you can create restorations in no time. And don't forget the quick loading of material.
The ability to drill screw access holes means that you don't need a double inventory of various material blocks, regular ones and the ones with the pre-milled holes. Those meso blocks are actually also more expensive as such, so definitely cost savings on your side.
I personally am very proud that we have a great fan of the R5 and the renowned Dr. Miguel Stanley, who has been working with the R5 in his clinic for more than a year and has since changed many lives with his extraordinary full arch restorations. Let's take a closer look at his setup. A huge shout out to Miguel. Thank you so much for sharing this video.
To sum it up, this 5-axis machine gives you complete freedom of wet grinding and dry milling any material or indication at an unparalleled level of automation and a very attractive price.
For further information on the R5, visit vhf.com, and another helpful resource is our dental portal, which contains the online manual, search functions, and crosslinks.
Thank you everyone for tuning in. Please reach out with any questions.
And don't forget to check out our other webinars for more information.